Hello, traders. Have you ever lost money in trading? I know that pain because I also lost some money recently. It feels bad, right? Your balance goes down. Your confidence goes down too. But today, I did something different. Instead of giving up, I asked AI to help me recover my losses. And what happened shocked me so much. I never expected it. Please watch this video till the end because you will learn something very powerful. Before I explain the AI part, let me share some good news. Olymptrade is celebrating its 11th anniversary this year. To celebrate, they have launched the Level 11 tournament with a prize pool of $111,111. From September 29th to October 5th, you can join, and every participant will get a 111% deposit bonus. So I thought, this is the perfect chance for me to test AI strategies and recover my losses. Exciting, right? But let's be honest. Every trader faces losses. Maybe you also lost before. Some people stop trading forever after losing. Some people chase losses and lose even more. But smart traders look for solutions. And my solution was AI-powered strategies. Instead of guessing, I wanted the system to guide me step by step. Now, let's understand this clearly. An AI-powered strategy is like your trading assistant. It studies the charts for you. It checks when the price is moving too high or too low. And then it tells you exactly when to open a trade, up or down. You don't need to do heavy analysis. You don't need to waste hours on indicators. Just enable the strategy and follow the signals. That's it. Simple, right? This is what helped me recover my balance. Now let me share my own experience.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Now, many traders ask me, can AI really recover my losses? My answer is simple. AI doesn't guarantee profits, but it helps us find smarter entries and avoid emotional mistakes. Some people also ask, do I need to be an expert? No, not at all. Even if you're new, AI strategies give clear up or down signals. You just need to follow them step by step. And the most common question, is the tournament only for pro traders? The truth is, no. Olymptrade has 7 leagues, so you compete with traders at your own level. Everyone has a fair chance to win prizes. So tell me in the comments, do you trust AI to guide your trades? Yes or no? I'll be replying to everyone. Friends, if this video helped you even a little, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support gives me the energy to share more trading secrets with you. And don't forget, leave a comment below. I'm waiting to hear your story.